Hi, let's discuss some more example of finding running time for divide and conquer recurrence relation by using master method. In previous lecture, I discussed master method with few examples. First go through master method, then come to this lecture that you can understand. Example 2, Tn equals to 4t n divide 2 plus n. What is a here? A is 4, b is 2 and function is n. Now we found a, b and fn. Next we need to find n power log a base b. So what is a here? A is 4 and b is 2. So we need to find n power log 4 base 2. Log 4 base 2, that will be 2. So we'll get n square. N power log a base b, that is n square. Next we need to compare function with the n power log a base b, means you need to compare n with n square. Obviously n value is less than n square, so it will comes under case 1. We can say fn equals to big O of n power log a base b. N power log a base b, that is n square, and function is n. Obviously n value is less than n square, so can write fn equals to big O n power log a base b. It comes under case 1. In case 1, running time is theta of n power log a base b. Whichever is higher from function and n power log a base b, that will be our running time. Here this is higher, so this will be our running time. So our running time will be theta n square. Next example, example 3, Tn equals to 8t n divide 2 plus n square. Here a equals to 8, b equals to 2 and function equals to n square. Next we will find n power log a base b. So n power log 8 base 2. It will be 3. 2 power 3 is 8. So it will be n power 3. Next, we need to compare function with n power log a base b, means we need to compare n square with n power 3. N square is less than n power 3, or we can say fn equals to big O of n power log a base b. This is nq and fn is n square. As n square less than nq, it comes under case 1. And in case of case 1, running time will be theta n power log a base b. Here n power log a base b is nq. So running time will be theta of nq. So I need to find n power log a base b, and fn is already given in the recurrence relation. If fn is less than n power log a base b, then running time will be theta of n power log a base b. That is our case 1. If fn is higher than n power log a base b, that is our case 3. So in case of that, fn will be our running time. Just remember, whichever is higher from n power log a base b or fn, that will be our running time according to case 1 and case 3. And case 2 is about equals. If function and n power log a base b and log n power k equals, then we'll consider case 2. Next example, Tn equals to T2n divide 3 plus 1. So here what is A? Nothing is given. So A will be 1. And what is B? B will be n divide 3 divide 2. So this will be our B. B will be 3 divide 2 and function will be 1. So we found a equals to 1, b equals to 3 divide 2 and function equals to 1. Next we need to find n power log a base b. So n power log 1 base 3 by 2. Any number power 0 equals to 1. So it will be n power 0 and some number power 0 equals to 1. So we got 1 from it. Next we need to compare 1 with 1. Both are equal. When both are equal, it comes under case 2. We can write fn equals to theta n power log a base b. log n power 0. Log n power 0, that is 1. It comes under case 2 scenario A. So their running time is theta n power log A base B log n power k plus 1. What is k here? K value is 0. So it will be n power log A base B, it is 1, and log 0 plus 1, it will be log n. 1 multiplication log n, it will be log n. Even you will check according to Coleman Bookmaster theorem, you will also get same answer. Next example, Tn equals to 2Tn divide 2 plus n divide log n. Here a equals to 2, b equals to 2 and function equals to n divide log n. That we can write as n log power minus 1 n. Next we need to find n power log a base b. So n power log 2 base 2, that will be n. Next, we need to compare Fn with n power log a base b. We found n power log a base b as n. So, from these two, which one is higher or lower or both are equal? We can write Fn equals to theta n power log a base b multiplication log power minus 1 n. So, n power log a base b, that we found as n multiplication log power minus 1 n, that is equals to our Fn. What is Fn? Fn is n divided log n, or you can write as n log n power minus 1. So n equals to this n power log a base b, then this log n power minus 1 we can multiply here. So it comes under case 2b. When k value will be minus 1, that will be case 2 scenario B, or case 2 second option. In case 2 also there are 3 options. K value can be greater than minus 1, or you can write greater than equals to 0. Then second option, k value will be minus 1. Third option, k value is less than minus 1. So k equals to minus 1 means this is case 2 option B. I already discussed master theorem in previous lecture, just go through previous lecture. So here running time will be theta n power log a base b multiplication log of log n if k value will be minus 1. Here k is minus 1, so running time will be theta and n power log a base b, that we found as n multiplication log of log n. If we apply Coleman Bookmaster theorem, then we need to compare n divide log n with n. So obviously this is less than this. So we can say this comes under case 1. Fn or function is less than n power log a base b. So it comes under case 1. In case of case 1, running time will be theta of n. So according to Coleman Bookmaster theorem, we are getting running time as theta of n. While according to S Academy Master theorem, we are getting running time as theta of n log of log n. You can check by backward substitution or recursion tree method. So this will be our running time, theta n log of log n. I am not saying Coleman Bookmaster theorem is wrong, that is correct. If function is of the form n power x, then that is correct. If function contains some logarithm, then we are not getting answer from that master theorem. So better use the master theorem taught by the S Academy. Next example, Tn equals to Tn divide 3 plus n. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and function equals to n. Next we need to find n power log a base b, n power log 1 base 3, log 1 base 3, that will be 0. So n power 0, that will be 1. Next we need to compare n with 1. Obviously, n value is greater than 1. Here you can write n power 0 or 1. N value is greater than 1. Or you can write function equals to omega of n power log a base b. Omega symbol is for greater than equals to. So it comes under case 3. As function is greater than n power log a base b, so it comes under case 3. Next, we need to check another condition that A F n divided B should be less than equals to C F n. What is A? A value is 1. What is B? B value is 3. So 1 multiplication function n divide 3, that is n divide 3. N divide 3 should be less than n. Yes, this is correct. So it also satisfies. In case of case 3, running time will be theta of function, so it will be theta of n. Next example, Tn equals to 9t n divide 3 plus n power 2.5. A equals to 9, B equals to 3 and function equals to n power 2.5. We need to find n power log A base B. So n power log 9 base 3. Log 9 base 3, that will be 2. So n square. Next we need to compare this n power 2.5 and n square. Obviously n power 2.5 is higher than n square. So function is higher than n power log A base B. So you can say Fn equals to omega of n power log A base B plus epsilon. It comes under case 3. We need to check another condition. So A Fn divided B should be less than equals to C Fn. A value is 9, B value is 3. So 9 F n divide 3. 9 n divide 3 power 2.5. What is Fn? Fn is n power 2.5, or you can write n square root n. So n divide 3 power 2.5 means in place of n we'll write n divide 3. N divide 3 power 2.5. It will be n power 2.5, 3 power 2.5, that we can write as 3 square multiplication root 3. Now this 9 and 3 square will be cancelled, as 3 square is 9. We'll get n power 2.5 divide root 3, and obviously this value is less than n power 2.5. Now this also satisfies, so running time will be theta of Fn. Fn is n power 2.5, so running time will be theta of n power 2.5. Applying Master theorem is easy. First identify what is A, what is B and what is function. Next you need to find n power log A base B. Then compare with the function. If n power log A base B greater than function, it is case 1. If it is equals to, then it is case 2. If it is less than, then it is case 3. In case 2 also there are 3 subcases. K value can be greater than -1, it can be equals to -1, it can be less than -1. There are 3 subcases. Try to remember that Master theorem, you can easily solve any type of divide and conquer recurrences. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.